Hi friends, Smartie's here to teach all about the parts of speech. Words have jobs, let's find out. We'll sing and learn what they're about. A noun names a person, place, or thing, like dog, school, chair, or ring. If you can touch it, name it, see. It's a noun, so sing with me. A verb is an action, something you do, like jump, dance, run, or chew. If it shows action, big or small, it's a verb, the mover of them all. Adjectives describe, they add some flair. They tell how things look, feel, or wear, like big red ball or soft sweet pie. Adjectives make words come alive. Adverbs tell how, when, or where. They describe verbs with extra care, like run quickly, sing loudly, play outside. Adverbs come along for the ride. Pronouns step in so we don't repeat. Instead of Sally, we can say she. He, she, it, they, we, you, I. Pronouns make our speech fly by. Prepositions tell where or when, like under the table or before 10. They show connection, place, or time, little linking words in rhyme. Conjunctions join words like and or but. They hook up phrases in the same hut. And or because they link along, helping sentences grow strong. Interjections show surprise or cheer, like wow, oh no, hooray, I'm here. They stand alone with feeling true, shouting out emotions too. Nouns name things, verbs show action. Adjectives add some description, satisfaction. Adverbs tell